Hiccups are a chain reaction that begins when your diaphragm, the umbrella-like muscle under your rib cage that pulls air into your lungs, spasms. This is often triggered by a stimulus like spicy food, a drink, stress, or a drug. It will take thousands and millions of years until this useless reflex goes away, he said. In the meantime, his new device, a $14 reusable straw called the Hiccup, is here. The design for Hiccup was inspired by Cephei's son's McFlurry straw. The very first prototype, he called it. Now it's a patent-pending device the doctor carries around with him at all times. It's the kind of thing you could store in a cabinet next to a household thermometer, he says. Dr. Cephei is not a hard salesman for his straw. He says you can try to make one from a McFlurry spoon by sealing up most of the small circular hole at the top, so it's a tinier opening. To ensure that it isn't just a gimmick, Cephei is planning a gold standard randomized controlled trial with hiccup experts in Switzerland and Japan. They will test Hiccup straws against identical decoys among hundreds of hiccup sufferers. He believes the straw does work, and it does its job by fooling the brain to stop the vicious cycle between the phrenic nerve, controlling the diaphragm, and the vagus nerve, controlling the epiglottis. Users have to both contract their diaphragm, to suck, and close their epiglottis, to swallow. The diaphragm keeps being occupied by our intention of suctioning the water. Then, the brain forgets to keep spasming that diaphragm.